What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107255-0. We can't confirm your subscription to PlayStation Plus. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side and just show you how to fix. And here we go to the screen. Here we are at the screen. Let's go to the settings here and user and accounts. Here we go to the, just wait for the account. For information, you will get the information here. Wait please, my network is also not working. PlayStation subscription, you just go to the PlayStation payment and a subscription, I'm sorry, and here you purchase settings, set the purchase settings, and check the method, credit card information. If you did not add it, you just must add it. Sometimes you're having expired credit card information, so we must check the credit card information also, or other payment method, you must check it. And then here's the payment purchase setting. You just check out not to the password, do not set to the password. You don't have any subscription, so I don't have any subscription, that's why. But here you just simply confirm that, that's how. And then you go to the address, you must check the address, PlayStation address also. If it's not working, look at that, here is the address. So you must add your payment method or redeem codes. You try to subscribe it, you must have the same address you got the redeem codes or credit confirmation. After that it will be fixed. So simply that's kinda you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.